I hereby, with every sense of humility, accept this appointment to serve as the chairman of our party, the Presidential Campaign Council, and commit to working with all organs of the party by involving every significant component in the task of ensuring electoral victory for PDP come 2023. I want to say here, you cannot give what you don't have. What we have is what we give. The peace that we also radiate, the peace that we also stand for, the peace we bring to PDP, my peace I give to PDP. Thank you and God bless you all.
Our chairman has spoken. All of us are going to hit the ground running, and we shall work collectively as a family and expeditiously to ensure the victory of our party. The party of the PDP, and indeed its candidate, is the party to beat in this election. It is only for us to work, and God on our side, we shall deliver this victory to our party and to Nigerians. We know the support that we enjoy in this country, and we appeal that INEC shall conduct free and fair elections. By so doing, victory, by the grace of God, is guaranteed for PDP.